Composition of air. We all know that air is essential for living organisms. We cannot see air, but we can feel it and hear it in the rustling of leaves. A thick blanket of air surrounds the earth, called the atmosphere. Due to the presence of this thick layer, life is possible on earth. Air is also present in everything that appears empty. Let's do an activity to find out. Open an empty bottle and immerse it upside down in a tub full of water. Notice that water does not enter the bottle, no matter how far down you may push it. Now, tilt the bottle slightly. Notice water entering the bottle and air bubbles emerging from the mouth. This shows us that air was present inside the empty water bottle, which was released in the form of air bubbles when the bottle was tilted. Air is composed of several gases. The major constituents of air are nitrogen, which is 78%, and oxygen, which is 21%. The rest 1% is made up of carbon dioxide, water vapor, argon, and other gases. Let us learn about each component, starting with oxygen. Oxygen. The most important component of air is oxygen. All living organisms need oxygen to breathe and respire. Oxygen also helps in burning. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is present in a greater quantity than oxygen. This effectively balances out oxygen as it does not support burning. When you blow a candle, it gets easily extinguished because the nitrogen content in the air is higher than that of oxygen. Air also contains 0.03% of carbon dioxide. Living organisms exhale carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is also produced from factories and vehicles. The balance of carbon dioxide in atmosphere is maintained by green plants that use this gas during photosynthesis. Air also contains a certain amount of water vapor, dust and smoke. The amount of water vapor in the air depends upon the weather of a place. It is higher in places closer to a water body as the sun heats up the water and converts it into water vapor. If we observe sun rays entering from a window inside a dark room, we can see tiny particles. These particles are dust particles present in the air. Smoke is released from factories and vehicles, which gets added to the atmosphere. Thus, air is a mixture of many gases and other substances, some of which are useful to us, while some may be harmful.